And we have cars lined up, lots of airplanes. In fact, we have people actually selling back on the backside here too as well. This is the swap meet from the other side.
All right, John, we need some pounders.
And some over here. Here's some of the airplanes. They're already getting lined up for our fly-in. Lots of people already flying, lots of airplanes already out, and it won't start for a while. Some of the beautiful airplanes here.
I'll come back.
Got them too deep selling here today.
Yeah. Actually, this is.
That's damn near the same size. Where's the cabin for it?
Yeah, they won't make it. Green Day. Good. Thing looks like a vandalism.
Shit, I still got it.
I actually brought mine today.
You got an issue.
Right, Mom.
Got a couple of first-person view racing drones.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. You've done that before. The other white man. When I left, I would have run over him.
And they're flying with the goggles on.
I've never flown this plane, so I don't know what to expect. I bought it off
Okay,
a
I
used
made 'em.
website, so you know how that goes. Bring up the hard hat. $900. That's why.
Very nice, Jane. I'd like to make sure I was shipping.
Exact same airplane. Mine's a biplane.
Oh, you have the biplane version?
Yeah, I've never flown it. It's,
Easiest airplane ever fly.
I bought it from a swap.
go out on the runway here.
On the runway!
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 airplanes in the air at this time. Almost like a helicopter with this wind.
On the runway!
And that's the young kid flying it right there.
Hey, can you get that airplane folded up on camera?
Nope.
What happened?
Oh no. Most of that damage is not from the airplane.
Okay. Here comes the limbo.
Yeah!
Here comes the wing. Get a little bit wobbly.
Ah!
One.
Side to side.
He looks high.
No, not the limbo, but I'd like to fly something. I got a couple things I could put in the air. So he's getting close, boy. Oh, if you'd have been...
Tip from the side. There you go.
Runway out, Scott. Front wheel don't look right, but the faster I get the weight off of it, the better.
There you go.
Take it off. I told you.
Okay,
I don't know
we.
if it's gonna hold up, but we'll find out.
All right, got it repaired and ready to go.
No pressure, no pressure.
Nice glide path on it.
Nice.
All right, take it off. Okay.
At least it looks better. Nothing else. Probably would have worked okay.